Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your IPTV subscription. First you need to download an IPTV app. I downloaded IPTV Smarters Pro. Now I open my app, then I click login with Extreme Code API. Here you will need a login detail to update your playlist. So I have my own IPTV subscription. If you cannot have any IPTV subscription, you can contact me. I will provide you a subscription with free trial. My WhatsApp number available in my video description. Contact me and get your IPTV subscription at cheaper price. Now I need to add my login detail to update the playlist. Here you will see that I add my own IPTV subscription login detail. Now I click on add user. Now you will see live TV movies and series folder. Download it one by one. So then click on live TVs. Now you will see all the live TVs. Now click on all and search your favorite live channel. I search Sky Sport. Now you will see Sky Sport live channels. Now I try to search Sony TV. Here you will see the Sony live TVs. Then I select Netflix. You will see the Netflix series. Now I try to show that how many live section available on this field. Now I click on movies. Then I click on kids movies. You will see all the kid movies. Then I try to show you language type movies. You will see 4K English movies, 4K Indian movies, multiple audio movies, English movies by year, Hindi movies by year, Pakistani movies, kids movies, Punjabi movies and other. You will see all type of movies. Now I click on series, then click on all and I search my favorite series. I search Beast Games, then click on it and try to see latest episodes. Here you will see the Sunny dramas, Netflix series, Amazon series. I try to explore Netflix series. You will see the multiple series. Then I explore Prime Video series, then Apple TV, then BBC Player and much more.